There are different types of software integration, iPaaS, integration platform as a services are there. So it's kind of nice, interesting area where you want to integrate different softwares. But these are the helper function which will help us to brainstorm and get some more details. So you see related trending topics, software integration developers, integration software list, integration software names. You can choose this again, perform the exercise. But very quickly, what I want to show here that we built on top of search some modifiers which will help you. So software integration ideas, software integration FAQs, benefits, desires, questions, dreams, software integration suspicions. It's important maybe to address. Of course, it's nothing fancy is happening here, but we are directing you again to the lot of data that is available with the Google to get you some direction. So it's at this stage, this function is more to help you, and we are making more such functions here, also combining with some GPT-3 outputs. So you will see some rapid developments here, because I have been getting a lot of questions about how to do this in-depth exercise. So we are also creating some standard niche templates. So one for, let's say, bloggers in health, one is weight loss, one for SaaS, one for digital marketing. We are going to populate also those examples. But here you can go into more details into Google Trends. You can go to podcast directories. You can go to social media search with the same thing like Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn. You can perform video search, YouTube, Google videos. You can go to Medium, Bing, Yahoo, News Trends. You can refer to Wiki, How, reference, other references, books, podcast, books and product review. Again, it's just to give you some more direction how to approach this huge market research and resonance template, because there are a lot of questions here. And the first idea for me is to, like myself, try to go deep and understand my target audience. Other way also is very important. Like you really need to find out what your target audience are actually searching, like what they are looking for. Even you can use some more data to understand how these people are looking for your product and services.